Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your hardness level on your KitchenAid KF8 and the other KitchenAid devices, which are going to make delicious coffee for us. The first step is we will need a total hardness test. This is a stick which we're going to dip into water, and this water should be the water, of course, out of our faucet, for example, which we are going to use for our fresh coffee. The hard water is water that is a high mineral content. Hot water is formed when water percolates through deposits of limestone, kalk, or gypsum, which are largely made up of calcium and magnesium carbonates, bicarbonates, and sulfates. Drinking hot water may have moderate health benefits. It can pose critical problems in industrial settings where water hardness is monitored to avoid costly breakdowns in boilers, for example, cooling towers, and other equipment that handle water. In domestic settings, the hard water is often indicated by a lack of foam formation when soap is guided in water, and by the formation of limescale in kettles and water heaters. The water hardness in a concern, water softening is commonly used to reduce hot water's adverse effects. And if we are going to make a delicious, enjoyable coffee with the KitchenAid machine, we like to have soft water for that. And if you look on this stick, there are 5 areas, and they are all green. And if we dip this into water and wait around about 1 up to 2 minutes, there will be an orange area or red area is shown. That means in this case here, we have the water class 1, and it goes up to 5. And then we can make a setup with that information. And here we can see our water hardness tester aligner. This is the total hardness tester. Gives us an information. That means we see here there is only one red area. The others are green, and green. That means we have so soft water here in this area. If you have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of this in red, you have to gain a little bit harder. Then you will have to gain the hardness level a little bit. So you can see green is nothing, red is the information. Okay, now let's go to the machine. The device is in the back here. Let's go a little bit closer to the machine, and we can see there is the settings button. Now we are going to look here, water hardness. And if we choose the water hardness level, we can choose with plus and minus how hard our water will be. That means this is the soften area. This is lower medium, and high. Much drops you see here in black means this is the higher hardness level than if there is no of this to see. In my case, I've only one red area. That means we're in a soft area. So this will be mine settings. But if you have 2 or 3, this will here, you can count this additionally here. That means 1 and 2, or 0 and 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is the highest level. Okay, so you can adjust it here in this area. And if you're done with this setup, you can go out, and for example, make a delicious cappuccino here. I will choose a little bit less volume over here because that's enough. So now my coffee will be better than before, of course, and it will be much delicious than before, because now we have make a setup of our machine with the total hardness level. This is a really important thing. If you do not have such a stick, you can also ask at your government, for example, what hardness level your water is at home. That it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again, of course, on my channel. Soon.